Experiencing a no key detected message in your 2018-2024 Ford Explorer can be frustrating. This message indicates the vehicle's system isn't recognizing your key fob, preventing you from starting the engine. Several factors can cause this, including a dead or weak key fob battery, a damaged key fob, or interference with the vehicle's receiver. This section explains these common causes to help you diagnose the problem quickly. Rule out simple causes first, such as a dead battery. Start by replacing the key fob battery with a new one. If the issue persists, consult your Ford Explorer's owner's manual for emergency start procedures. Typically, place the key fob near the steering column or center console to allow passive detection. If these steps fail, visit a certified Ford dealership or mechanic. They use diagnostic tools to identify issues with the key fob or system.